Hi, today I have a crossbow that I recently purchased. I was trying to find something different. I saw this, it's not an expensive one, it is fairly inexpensive, but it gets the job done. It is, don't take it light. This is also not a toy. This can harm people pretty bad. Uh, it doesn't come assembled, you will have to assemble it. The limbs come assembled, it is foldable limbs, like you can unscrew this, the bolt comes off, and then you can like fold it, but before that you will have to take the strings off. Stringing it requires a little bit of effort. I did not have a stringer at the time of the purchase, so I had to make something similar to a stringer using using some cords I had available, and the pieces of that is still there. I have ordered a stringer. Once I get the stringer, I'll have to get that cleaned up, take it off. The scope did not come with it. It comes with basic sights which you can use. I took that sight off and I put the scope. So as long as you have something that is dovetail, it will fit in without any issues. So this is a scope I used on my guns. It's a dovetail scope, so it was easy. I can just unscrew this, take it off, and unscrew these two. I can just slide it out, or I can put it back in, and whenever I need it. It's pretty powerful. I have tried using it once or twice. Let's try to shoot it and see how it is, how the accuracy is. The scopes are not very well sighted. That's going to take some time to do it. I don't think I'm going to do that. It's kind of cold out here too. But I just wanted to make a short video of the crossbow. Well, it comes with two arrows. These are aluminum arrows, good for practice. I'll have to look into purchasing more arrows. I haven't done that yet, but I will be purchasing more arrows, and I will be doing other video on how to assemble it and how to string it. That's one thing. For using this crossbow, you have to put it in fire, I believe. I'm gonna give it a try. By the by, for crossbows you have a cocking device, which I don't have, so I'm going to use my hand. It is a little hard, so I'm just gonna put it down. All right, it's cocked, ready to fire. If you're new to crossbow, please keep in mind, do not dry fire a crossbow. It is not good for the bow, and it may not end up good for yourself too. So to load it, I've noticed, I'm fairly new to crossbow. I have never used it before. When you have the arrows, it has the red portion. So you have yellow on both sides and you have red. Red goes down the channel here. So that's how the arrow goes. So you can take it. You have a small notch. So you push it down, go all the way, and you have safety. It's in safe right now. For me to fire, I'll have to put it to fire, and then that's basically how you fire it. I am actually going to give it a try right now. Hopefully you can see it's not too far, but it's fairly, I would say it's like 20 feet away from me. So let's give it a try. Fire, safety is off, and the scope, I'm not very sure since it's not sighted. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. All right, so looks like it is a little off. I don't know, it was I tried sighting it for the gun. I did not complete it, but it wasn't this off with the gun. So for the crossbow, looks like we'll have to spend some time and sight it again. Let's try the next arrow. So now it is in safe. As soon as you fire it, I put it in safe. cock it, put the next arrow similarly as I did on the other one. I can feel it's pretty powerful. It is a 180-pound arrow, crossbow. So I'm going to aim it a little higher than what I did last time. It actually was, I aimed it to the center, it went down to the right. So let's see if I aim it top left, where it's going to end up. Well, looks like this time it wasn't too bad. It was somewhere close to where I aimed. So I would say I was pretty wrong last time. Let's try again. Well, looks like I lost one of the head in there, so I can only use one right now. I have to find that. Fire. All right, nice and snug. Well, this time when I aimed it to the center and then to the far left. So yes, it takes a little bit of practice on how to use a crossbow. It's a little different than the guns that we use. So I'm going to wrap it up for now. I'll do more videos on this. I'll have to practice a little bit more on the crossbow, and we'll do it again and see how I can sight it well and how it functions. But it is a pretty good tool. It can be used for small game, possibly for deer hunting too. If you have a good arrow and if the deer is not too far, it is powerful enough to penetrate and just a kill. Thank you everyone. Have a good day and enjoy.